announcing PaceUI version 2. It's the absolute easiest way to build really clean modern designs using shadCN blocks. It comes with over 50 motion components, so your UI feels super smooth and interactive right out of the gate. To speed things up even more, we put together over 100 ready-to-use blocks for pretty much any use case you can think of. If you're building a web app, check out the new dashboard templates. We made ready-to-go layouts for sales, logs, customers, crypto, you name it. Every project needs a landing page, so we included complete layouts packed with a ton of different sections you can just mix and match. To make launching as easy as possible, the boilerplate has core stuff like auth and databases, plus a whole bunch of other essential features already hooked up for you. You can skip the setup and just start building. All of this is packed into our Pro, Team, and Enterprise licenses. Go grab it now with our limited time 50% off offer.